Assalamualaikum. I want to talk about my house project. This is a modern, frame house designed with a warm wood wooden exterior. It has a triangular shape with a round window near the top extra light. The front feature a door and glass sliding door into the back with a matching rectangular windows on each side. This simple design creates a cozy and inviting look, perfect for a comfortable and modern home. So the budget of the house is with 1 feet is equal to 50 ringgit. But in area of this house is 35 times to 34, 24, which means is approximate like 354 feet. So the budget of the house is 169,000 ringgit only.
Okay, we go through to exponential floor plan. The overall dimension of the layout are labeled as 35 foot in width and 24 foot in height. Next, living room centrally located, taking up a significant portion of the space. After that, bedroom is positioned on the left side. This room is separated from the living area and also providing more privacy. Other than that, bedroom it is located on the upper right corner of the layout away from the living and bedroom space. Next, rest area. Positioned near the center and kitchen is situated on the bottom right. Lastly, the overall cost of this floor plan is 126,000 ringgit based on the rate of 150 per square foot. So, this is our surface area. Next, I will calculate the floor plan using this formula, and this is the full calculation. After we calculate surface area, next I will explain surface area. There are two triangles is calculated with the formula for the area of triangle. Since there are two triangles, the total area is 480 foot. Second, a rectangle is calculated the area formula, which is length times width, so the result is 840 foot. Third, two side rectangle are calculated with dimension. The result of each side is 1626.1 foot. And lastly, total surface area is 2946.1 foot, the sum of all areas calculated.
This slide is for solution and explanation for problem number 1, and question 1 is calculate the area for each carpet. There are three types of carpet that have different area and different shape, which is for Nordic carpet, that round shape, and we calculate the area equals 1.77 meter square using round formula pi times radius square. Next, we also have Bohemian carpets in square shape with area 5.2 meter square, and the formula is just length times width. And the last carpet that we have is Turkish carpet in triangle shape and have an area 1.76 meter square with the formula is 1/2 times length times width. For question number 2, calculate how much the counter cost for RM per meter square. The formula that we use is just price per area for each carpet. For Nordic carpets, cost per meter square is 281 ringgit 92 cents. Turkish carpet is 249 ringgit 98 cents, and the Bohemian carpet is 85 ringgit 38 cents. And for explanation after careful comparison, we decided to select the Bohemian carpet for the house due its cost effectiveness. Among three options, the Bohemian carpet stand out as the most budget-friendly choice, priced at 85 ringgit 38 cents. It is more affordable than both of Nordic and Turkish carpet, while Turkish carpet option offer slightly more area coverage. The Bohemian carpets provided a well-balanced solution in terms of price and functionality, meeting our requirement without exceeding our budget.
I'm going to explain about this slide. So the purpose of this slide is to determine the water capacity volume in liters of three types of tanks using mathematical calculation. Second is the cost efficiency of each tank measured as cost per liter, RM per liter. This analysis helps choose the best tank based on storage capacity and affordability. So the step one is you have to calculate the tank volume. Tanks are cylindrical in shape, so their volume calculated using the cylinder volume formula, which is V equal to pi r square h. Volume are calculated in cubic meter and converted to liters by multiplying 1000 on each calculation. So for water tank type 1, which is black plastic can, it has diameter of 1.067 meter and height 0.711 meter. Here is the final calculation for water tank type 1, and the volume you will get 635.6 liter. Next is water tank type 2, which is King Kong tank. It has diameter of 0.75 meter and height of 1.4 meter. To calculate water tank type 2, we use the same formula as water tank type 1, which is V equal to pi r square h. And here is the full calculation, and the final answer you will get 680.75 liter. Okay, for the last tank, which is type 3 stainless steel water tank. So for this water tank, we use a different formula, which is V equal to pi r square 2h. And here is the final, here is full calculation, and the final answer you will get 426 liters. Next is we have to calculate how much the counter costs for RM1 per water liter. So for this calculation, we use this formula, and for the full calculation for type 1, here is final calculation, and type 2, and lastly is type 3. Okay, so from my observation of this slide, I can see that type 1 offers the largest volume, making it suitable for higher capacity, while type 3 has the smallest volume, which may not be ideal for larger water storage needs. And second is cost per liter. Type 3 is the most cost efficient at RM 0.74 per liter, while type 1 is the least cost efficient at RM 3.97 per liter. And last is cost consideration. While type 2 offers higher volume than type 3, its cost per liter is still higher. And for limited budget, type 3 offers the best value. So for my recommendation, for cost efficiency, we usually choose type 3. And while for higher capacity, you should choose type 1, but it comes at how much higher cost per liter. For balanced choice, this type 2 offers decent volume and cost efficiency.
So, in the conclusion, the gallon water tank type 1 seems to be the best choice because it offers larger capacity, which is and lower price, while the stainless steel options like the King Kong tank offer better durability. They are significantly more expensive. If durability is essential, the King Kong water tank could be worth and the higher price. But for general household use, the gallon water tank offer the best value for the price.